All right, hey artists. Um, Once you know how to make patterns, right? You don't have to make anything crazy like rhinoceroses smashing into vans. You could just make a shape and then see what happened. This is two shapes, right? We've got this orange shape which I drew with the pen, and this purple shape which is just a square that I put behind it, right? Now I made my artboard a square. It's 400 pixels by 400 pixels. So, and then I drew this orange shape. So when I wanted to put a purple color behind it, I knew that I could just click on here, make a rectangle, and type in the um, the pixels that I knew the square already was, right? So it was 400 by 400, and I hit OK like that, and it made a new square that I could just put right over here. If you have trouble getting it to fit on your artboard, go up here to View, and you go all the way down. It says Snap to, and you can snap it to the grid, and then it'll fit really. It'll sort of click in there. All right, so then I can just right click on this and send it to the back. And there you go. This one I'll just get rid of now. All right, so I got this whole thing. I can select both of them, right? Go up to Object and Pattern, make a pattern. Awesome. Wow. And then see what it looks like. It looks like that. Let me bring this up to 100%. And if I don't want it to look like that, I could always try doing something else. Like that. Or, let's see if I don't know if that does anything different or not. Yeah, that brought them a little bit closer when I said don't size it to the art. So that looks kind of cool. Or I could try doing it. I don't think this is going to work. I did something weird and different because my pattern is a square. So when I arrange it in a hexagon, they're going to smash into each other. That doesn't really work. But that looks kind of cool. All right. So when I've got something that I like, I'm going to come up here, right, in this gray bar and just click Done. And then it'll be there. It's right here. In your swatches. If you don't see the swatches, come up to Window and scroll all the way down. To swatches right there, and you'll see it. All right. And so then you can select it, and if you select it and you draw something else, it'll have that pattern in it. So there you go. That's what I showed you in class about how to make patterns and how to fill new things with patterns, which is going to come in handy. That's it.